Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are the polytube family. We're a Samoan family based here in New Zealand, Hamilton. We mainly post videos that either family activities or food. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and we will I look forward to hanging out with you today.
Hi. Hi. I almost got a gun, but yeah, it works it. It's dirty. Run! No, I'm going to do the video first. I was going to win. I was saying next to me. The camera's cut on the catch.
Who did it?
Yeah.
What did he do?
He scratched me.
Cut his nails in.
We're probably finished by now if we went to netball.
Hey guys, so today's Sunday lunch is gonna be a nice and simple one. We're gonna make a steak sandwich with chips and coleslaw on the side. So well, let's get right into it. We've got our pub style chips. I'm just gonna chuck these in the oven.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Say nice.
Say good. Say good, Leo.
Look, Mom. It's not melting, but I still stuck with the chocolate.
Leftover bagi popo from yesterday. Yeah, it's always nice when you heat it up again. That smell. Ooh.
Yummy. I think Leo's finished.
It is nice and toasted.
What do you want to do?
I'm just gonna pass you the breads or the sandwiches to go.
What was that?
So Dutch, the cheese.
I want to taste that. Yeah, I want to taste it.
To open the menu.
Oh, look at that.
Guys, dinner's ready. We've got steak and cheese sandwich, chips and coleslaw for lunch.
What?
Is it good, Dasha?
This is amazing. Actually, you should try the chips with the gravy. It's nice.
Is there any more gravy there?
Yeah, there's still a lot of gravy left.
Talking
Dad. Dad.
got some gravy on your chips?
That looks good.
It kind of tastes like pork bun. No,
Hey.
yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Look at that. Mmm.
He's already like a quarter way from finishing his.
It's nice to have a change, eh?
This is my favorite.
The chips are so good, man. put a little bit of gravy on my chips. Ooh. Oh yeah.
This is my favorite.
Everything's your favorite, eh, Dasha?
You say everything is her favorite every single time.
The salad is nice.
The salad nice?
Yeah. I tasted it with the salad, like the chips and the salad, and it tasted so nice together.
It's so good.
Look at that. We're eating healthy.
It's so good, man. Getting there, eh, Mila? How's it going, Dasha?
Smashing it.
Dasha is the first to finish.
Always.
Always the first to finish. How's your one?
It's very manaya. Thank you, chef.
I can taste the fatty part.
Most of the fatty stuff.
So nice.
I'm already finished. I think everyone knows that you finished by that empty plate. Thank you. Oh, that's a bit too close. Yeah. I think this cheese has stretched more. I actually had a lot.
Are you guys happy that your game was cancelled today?
I mean, not really. Yeah, no. It's just a waste of money buying the purple. Oh yeah, buying the purple. Our tournament
Was meant to be a dress up.
yeah, like a color or something. And me and Daniela defenders, we're supposed to wear purple because purple is for defenders and
Grape.
oh yeah, grape.
Attackers are orange. And the shooters are pineapples, eh?
And then when you just got dressed, like when it was this morning, it just like my mom got a message and then it said that it got cancelled because of the weather. And like we were already dressed up. It's not even bad weather today.
It was in the morning.
Yeah, it was a bad weather in the morning.
Well, it's alright.
Open intro. They probably postpone the tournament the next weekend instead, huh?
Probably. Okay. So I'm finished. Thank you.
Well done, team. Look at that. Leave nothing. Steak sandwich was so good. And that gravy. Shane and I are just gonna have a cup of tea, and then we're gonna get things ready for tomorrow. Get all the kids' clothes ready for tomorrow. I'm working from home tomorrow, so that'll be nice and easy. I don't have to rush around in the morning. Yep. Yep. Well done. Chip.
That's good dancing.
Yeah. Hi guys. All right, so today is Monday. I've finished work at 5. For now, we're just heading out to get some stuff from the supermarket. Shane's our driver.
Hi everyone. So we're going to Savoury.
Yeah. We're gonna go and get them all tonight while we got the chance, because from tomorrow onwards it's gonna be hectic. So yeah, we'll take you guys with us. Oh my gosh, I don't think you're gonna be able to see me. We had chicken curry and rice for lunch-ish, late lunch. Watch out. So, oh gosh, why is it so busy? So we're just gonna go have pizza before bedtime. Yeah, we're just gonna go get some pizza and then we're gonna have it in the car, and then we'll go home and unload our shopping. We'll see you guys then. Oh, hi John.
Hi.
John, say hi.
I'm
waiting for you to say hi to the Say hi.
Theo is the only cook who sits down and behaves himself. No running around, boy. Works now. It's probably too short time.
Too short. No, it says broken or whatever for the end.
Okay.
Or didn't open.
Where's Dasha and Daniela?
Oh, there's Mom's car. But because
Park all the way over there.
shut.
So cold.
So what's your step?
Here's my step. Actually, I was just joking. It's hot. It's hot.
Is it a hot sun?
Hey!
There's no problem with this tool back here. Look at
No.
it.
Is it hot?
Donna, you can have one?
Yeah, I'm blowing it for him.
No.
No.
Yeah.
I was just gonna have one.
It's so bright me.
Yeah, I'm blowing it.
It was next to us.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Oh,
Hot. Hot. Yeah, like this.
that's actually not a joke.
We decided we're just gonna have something, nice and easy, and here we are having pizza in the car, Pizza Hut's parking lot. So we're heading home now because we gotta go home. There's some frozen stuff in the back of the car. So yeah. Very hot. Yeah.
It's not hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's hot for you guys.
It's not that bad.
Yeah. Stop. Josh.
The size of a lamp is a...
Wow. Hi guys, we got this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
There you go.
Hey,
But yeah, we're gonna end our video here.
Mom.
But we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
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 Please don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.